friends, welcome to one more video from T4 Top Notch. I am Cheryl signing in. Today in this video I will be showing you how we can make a small fountain. A fountain that is powered by this small 9-volt battery. So I hope you are excited. So let's start our project. Let's have a look at what all things we need. This is a small DC battery operated submersible mini pump. This we can buy from online. Like I have shared the link from where I bought it. This is the battery which we are using to power the fountain. Then I have taken a small switch to control the flow. Then a water bottle, 1 liter water bottle. Then I am taking a vessel. This is a earthen, like a mean chatti, in which we can prepare all delicious fish curry. And if this is not available, you can use a small plastic container also. Actually, I am just giving you an idea like how to build a small fountain, and according to your creativity and according to your desire and your capacity, you can make the fountain still more beautiful. So now let's start the work. First we need to make holes in this water bottle. Like through this holes only water will be spilling out as a fountain. So actually I am using a PCB driller. If PCB driller is not there, not an issue. Like we can heat the nails and then we can place it. The ultimate thing is like we have to make small holes through which the water comes out. So according to our creativity and according to our desire, we can make the holes. So let's start making the holes. I have finished putting the holes. Hope you are able to see the tiny holes. Through this water comes out. Next, we shall make a small hole at the bottom of this water bottle, and we shall push in the pipe of the water pump, mini pump. So through that the water enters this bottle, and once the water reaches this level, the water flows out as a fountain. So let's make a small hole at the bottom in such a way that we will be able to push in the pipe of the mini pump. I am using a soldering gun. If soldering gun is not there, we can use a iron, we can heat iron and we can use it. Since this is plastic, by heating a small iron also it is easy to make a hole. But while making hole, make sure that it is not big so that the water flows out through this. Make a hole in such a way that it stays tight. Okay, I have made it like this. Now we shall glue it so that it stays tight. Once when the fixing work is over, now let's place the bottle in this container. You can use a plastic container or you can use a earthen pot. I have kept it in the center. Next, I have kept the motor over here. Then we can use some pebbles to make sure that the bottle doesn't slip away. Now it has two benefits. One is it adds beauty. Other thing is we can make sure that the bottle remains in the center without moving here and there, so that even when we pour water, the bottle remains in the center. Now the bottle is in the exact center. Now complete fixing is over. Our fountain full, it is set. You can see the pebbles, the motor, then it is connected to the battery, then from the battery it is connected to the switch in order to control the flow. If I switch on the switch, we will be able to hear the motor's sound. So now let's pour water and let's see how beautiful our fountain is going to come up. Along with some pebbles, I am going to put few water balls also. These are the polymers which we can buy from online. So once when we put this in water, after around 6 to 7 hours, they get swollen up. You can see this is a water ball. So if you put this into the water bottle, it will give some weight and stability to this bottle, so that once when you pour water, the bottle does not shake or fall off. And not only that, it adds a beauty also. So let's do the final setting up of our fountain. Everything is set. Now let's pour water. Before pouring water to the container, let us pour some water to the bottle, so that the bottle stays in its place without moving here, moving out. I have poured sufficient water. Friends, our fountain is set. Now let's switch on. You can see the water is getting filled in, but since I think this is a 1 liter bottle and ours is a small motor now and a 9-volt battery, so it is not able to pump out the water to a fountain level. So not to worry, we will just change this bottle and see. This is a 1 liter bottle, so we will make a hole on this half liter bottle and we shall fix and see. We can just see the water is just dripping. So not to worry, we shall just change the bottle and see how it is going to work. I just changed the bottle. Our fountain is set. We can see the battery connected and the fountain is set. Now let's switch on the fountain and see how it is going to work. We can see the water getting filled in. Yay! Our fountain. We can put small fishes also into it, so that it looks beautiful. It's a completely battery operated, a 9-volt battery operated tabletop fountain. We can paint this bottle so that it looks still more beautiful. It's completely a battery operated. There is no electricity provided. This submersible pump works with a 9-volt battery, and I have given a switch to control the flow, and you can see how it is working. Friends, this was a simple video on how we can make a simple tabletop fountain using a battery, a pump and a half-liter bottle. Hope you liked my video. If you are new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.